Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through the feature of automatically sending messages to multiple UIDs at once. For example, if you want to send messages to members of a group, let me use this group as an example. This is a group that you want to send messages to. You can automatically send messages to these people or to those people. So you can get the UID of this group, get this UID, and then go to my tool, which has a feature that automatically extracts the group members. So you just need to go to the scan group members section for me. You will go to the scan group members section for me, and you can also select the specific option. Choose the number of members to scan at one time here, then enter the group's UID. Select scan. You can also choose only scan new members to automatically scan only new members and not scan administrators. Once you have finished setting up this information, we will get started. When we start scanning, we will need to wait a moment. Then this information will appear, for example, what the UID is. For example, the number of members, here it's 34,300 people. I'm setting the scan limit to just 500 people for this demo, but you can set it to scan all members if you want. Here it will display the information being scanned. In this scanning section, of course, you'll have to wait a bit longer because the software needs time to retrieve the data. Normally, you can just let it run and scan overnight, but since I'm doing a demo, I'll only scan a few entries to make it quicker, and I'll use that data. Okay, so now when it's scanning, I'll stop it and take the data. It's currently scanning 5 people, so you'll need to copy that. And I'll turn on the live mode so I can process it directly. But as you can see, all the information has already appeared. For example, the group rotation, the member rotation, what this is, how Lin Fook is, when the participation time is, and so on. So here, for the member rotation, we already know this, so we let the software automatically send messages to these rotations. That's it. So everyone will go straight into the software, select the messaging feature, and choose to view the profile ID chain to automatically send messages by UID. You can also select additional parameters such as avoiding duplicate. There you go. And enter the ID that you've extracted here. Here you can specify how many people each account will send messages to. For example, I'll set it to, I can send to only 3 people at most. Usually I'll set it to just 2 or 3 people. That's it. How many messages to send to each UID? 1, 2, 3, or 4 are all fine. And whether to delete the UID after sending the message. To avoid repeating, you want to send a friend request after sending the message? All of that is available. You can send a friend request either before or after sending the message. You can also interact further. This is actually a pretty cool feature. For example, before sending messages, the software can help everyone interact with that account first to increase credibility. For instance, before sending a message, I can react with some emojis like this, or leave a comment, for example, all of that. So here I've arranged it in the script, then I'll select it according to my preferences and start running it. So on a given day, the software will open a series of accounts and start using them to reply to messages. I would like to thank you all very much indeed. For the following information, along, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Oh, take care. As a user of this system, you will be able to see exactly what happens in real time. and I will let the multiple accounts automatically send out messages with the precise specific content that I have already set up in the configuration. The automated bot will diligently search for the relevant accounts to send these messages to, functioning just like the standard manual messaging feature but with much higher efficiency. When it successfully sends these messages, it can also generate detailed, comprehensive reports so that everyone knows exactly how many messages the software has sent and the specific time each one was delivered. This is an incredibly useful and powerful feature for everyone who wants to reach exactly their specific target customers in a very short amount of time. If anyone is interested in learning more or trying this out, you can contact my official Telegram channel listed below or simply leave a detailed comment in the section